Oh boy, let's have some social life. Hi bro, how are you doing? Oh, hello. Hello bro. Hello dude. Hi. Hello. Hi. And that's when I realized that the word social life is not in the vocabulary of mine. So you leave me no choice. First I started off by creating a new project in Android Studio and boom, Instagram. See you, hello world. So the Instagram UI can be separated into 6 parts. First, this top app bar, and then we have this profile section, and after that we have this informations about the users, and after that we have few other options like follow and few other things, and then we have the story section, and after that we have this tab section which contain the post, reels and all those things that are specific to the user. So the very first thing that we have to start with is this top app bar. So the top app bar is kind of simple, we just have to add few icons and the name of the user and that's it. So now the top app bar is ready, so it's time to create the profile of the user. About the profile section, the very important thing is the profile picture of the user and the round circle with some gradients. So in order to create the circle with gradients, I used thing called brush in Jetpack Compose, which allow us to create vertical gradients in Android. It's kinda simple, I just give a list of colors and the brush will use those colors to create the gradients for the circle. And we also have other things in the profile section like the posts and the followers. Wait, followers? Oh no. Very nice. And one thing about Jetpack Compose and Android app development is just you can't see the live updates of the UI. So you have to run the application every single time. And believe me, it's kind of painful. So after some changes, now it's looking pretty good, so let's create the info section. And if you don't know about this info section, well, this is the place where the users give a short and sweet description about their life, and adding to that, the Instagram also shows the users who are following you and the person that you are looking at. So that's all about the info, and what an accurate representation of my life. Very accurate. And adding to that, Android Studio was like, oh bro, you wanna run the code? Come on dude, we don't do that here. What the? So after peacefully resolving the issue with Android Studio, now the info section is done, so let's move to the options. I mean, creating these options is not a big deal, like these are just few buttons, you know. Okay, I think I just have to work a bit more in this, and I just got these things working, but except this arrow. So I just have to just keep track on the elements and all those things, and after some work I just also got that thing working. So now let's add the story section. So I think giving this gradient circle for the stories will also look cool. So I'm going to use the gradient circle that we created for our profile and give it some different colors. So this will create different gradient circle for each stories. And it will look cool, I think. I mean, it is not like stories, it's more like stretched stories. So I just changed the width and now it's looking cool, I think. So let's add the title for the stories. So now the story section is done, I think. It's kinda looking cool. So let's move to the tabs where we have the post, reels and all those things. So let's create the post for this section. So there is a thing called grid in Jetpack Compose, we can just use it to create this post section. So I just uploaded some thumbnails of my video and now the post section is also completed. Overall it's kinda look like Instagram right now, but there is an important thing missing, like this blue tick. But let's be real, who really needed blue tick in the Instagram when the Twitter is going to make the users to pay to get the blue tick? And I also like to have a blue tick in my Twitter account, so who knows, I may create my own Twitter to give myself a blue tick.